Welcome everybody. We're right here in Port St. Joe, the city of Port St. Joe, where you can golf cart all over town if you didn't know. And we're connected to all the trails in this community. We're at Arazzo on Madison. It's tucked up here a couple blocks from the bay. And what I love about this community is that you've got attached villas, but they take care of all the common ground landscaping. It has a gorgeous pool, bigger than like some big developments have. The clubhouse is amazing. You've got a great gathering spot, outdoor sports area to watch the game, pickleball courts. I mean, it's got some things. Flood zone, all of this is in the 100-year floodplain. So if you don't want to, you don't have to carry flood insurance in these areas, and these are all new construction, built to Category 5 hurricane standards. So for those of you that care about construction, these are built very well. You get hardy plank cement siding. You get hurricane mesh to go over all the windows. They come with 2-car garages. I will show you that, but let's go in and take a look. So we'll start with the garage because a lot of places around here, especially at this price point, do not have garages. So look at that. You got a nice entry area. This is a 3-bedroom. Sorry, we got a squeaking fire alarm, but this is a 3-bedroom. So on the left, a lot of people use this as an office or an extra family room if you don't need a guest room, but you have it if you need it. This is the second guest suite. They share a full bath that has a tiled shower area, quartz countertops. So you get a little bit of some of the elevated things. You get elevated upgrades. You've got a pantry closet right here with shelving. The kitchens are stunning. I mean, you get granite countertops, lots of counter space, pull-up breakfast bar, a single large sink. Sorry, y'all, I got my glasses on still. A big, large sink here. One of the things that are unique about this community is there's natural gas in the whole community. So not only do you get on-demand hot water, you also get a gas cooktop on this, which a lot of people love that. Look at all of these cabinets. Really, and you get, this is a second pantry. So you have a pantry here, and you have a pantry around the corner, and then the 3-bedroom comes with a full laundry room with a soaking sink, so you can do a stack in there, you can do just, you know, side by side, there's plenty of room for whatever you want, and extra storage. But the living rooms are nice and large. You've got a big wall here that you can put your TV on, and you get this whole bank of windows back here. I love that it all leads out to a patio, which a lot of people screen these in, so you can get them screened in if you want. But this has got a full patio out here where you can kind of hang out and get the breeze. I mean, it's breezy out here. You own a little piece of property here, so you've got a little patch of grass back here where you can fence all of this in. And so there, you can see the fences over across the street that people have done. So that's the standard fence that's in here that you can have installed. So if you've got a little pet and they want a little area and you want to be able to just let them out and not have to walk them, you've got the opportunity to do that. So let's take a look at the master suite because it is large. It's got plenty of room for dressers and nightstands and a king-size bed. Look at that. Plenty of room for a big dresser here. You've got a double vanity sink with quartz countertops, a linen closet, and then look at the walk-in in the back, the walk-in closet. You got a water closet, a walk-in closet, and then you get this linen closet here. And I love that it's got a big tiled shower here, tiled on the bottom. They also offer a 2-bedroom plan, so if you're interested in that, you can always comment down below. I'll send you the whole plan on the 2-bedroom. I'll send you a video tour on that. But these are really well built. They have all the hurricane strapping and the clips and all the things. So we have a model out here. We're out here a couple times a week having open house. So if you want to see when we're having our open houses, you can comment below. We'll share it with you. But we're always here on Thursdays from 1 to 3, and we have a furnished model if you want to take a look at it, and it's the 3-bedroom plan. So there are other options in here, but this one is the very best price in the entire area. So I wanted to share it with you, so if you know someone that might be interested in it, send it to them, tell them Kaye sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.